Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is December 13th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over to the charts and see what we see. Let's maximize this quarterly chart. Boom, boom, and resize it. What we see here on the Dow has pulled back a little bit off of its high. It didn't quite go up and actually kiss that yearly R3. I said it was hot, 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 but it has started to roll over and cool off a little bit. But it's still looking fairly bullish, and all just some profit taking probably here at the end of the year, and maybe start up again come next year, I would say, or maybe after Christmas, who knows. We just pay attention to the charts and see what we see, and that's pretty much it. Let's go down to the monthly chart and see what we see there on the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, as we can see, we are having a red, so far we're having a red month. We're coming down to a quarterly R1 level. Maybe this R1 level may act as support. We have to kind of like wait and see. We're still above the 9-10 moving average, so technically we are still bullish, so everything still look kind of okay here. Still, based on your trading plans, your trading strategies, do things accordingly. You see in this red monthly candle at this time and all. On the weekly chart, let's zoom in a little bit here. On the weekly chart, the Dow has come down and closed this gap here. On this weekly chart, there's nothing else down here for it to actually close. It's at pivot. So come next week, for me looking at a weekly view, I would be looking for a bounce here based on my trading plans and my trading strategies. Because again, I like to see it when it's above pivot to stay above pivot. It can come down here and kiss this pivot and then bounce. I don't like seeing it going too much below this area, but I can see based on what's here on the chart, it could come down to about a 430 level and bounce just to fake us out a little bit and then reverse. So again, I'm paying attention to this, any stocks that I may have that are part of the Dow and tightly correlated to the Dow. I don't think I have anything at this time. I closed a lot of positions today, trying to close up things for the month and for the year that are going to close out for this year and all. But that's what I see here on the Dow. So the Dow is still hanging out right at pivot at this time, but that's what I see. Let's go down to the daily noise and wrap this on up. On the daily noise, let me back up just a little bit here. See, on the Dow, we got a crazy gap right here. That's this big gap here that happened on the election. It never came down here and filled this. This is the only kind of like danger looking thing that's on the Dow right now. It's closed this little gap here. It tried to close this gap earlier. Now, can this Dow actually slip all the way down here to around your low 420s before it actually head up? We will probably know by next week, because since this area right here, 430, that's still only $10 away. Will we get a bounce here where this demand, where this market shot up and out of here, or it's going to come down in here and end up dropping and closing this before we go higher? So we can get some more pain if you guys are not on the short side and you're still holding any long positions in the Dow or holding the Dow itself So be very, very mindful of your trading plan and your trading strategy and trade accordingly. You have your rules in place to protect you, to keep you where you have money, so you can continue playing this game or be in this game for the long term. That's the reason having your rules and your plans. All right, but that's it. That's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.